Joins. In SQL Server, join is used to combine the data of the multiple table. Meaning of this multiple tables in combination, what exactly it is. Once you have a table in that there is the records, and that record is not enough to represent the complete data which you want or which is your desired data. So what we will do, we will use the joins with another table. Means if one table have a few records, another table have few records, and both the table record you want to show at same time with a some relation. So at that time we apply the join. For example, in a table there is the list of the student, and another table there is the list of the student payment uh, of that month. So how many students who paid or who paid their fees on that month? For that you need to join both the table. One is the table in which the list of student, another table in which list of the fees of given student. So for that we will implement the join to get to know the table record at same time. Joins are mainly four types. One is inner, another is left, and then right and full, and one is the self. What is inner join? Inner join returns only the matching record from both the tables. So you can see here you have a table 1 and table 2. So the common records, if you want, then you can implement the inner join. Same as outer join. Outer join mainly three type. One is the left outer join, another is right outer join, and third one is the full outer join. Left outer join that return all the record of the left table and matching record with the right table. Means the left table all the records as well as the record which is matching or which is the common in the left table, we will get that record as well. So this is the green color. You can see these records you will get in left side. Same as in right outer join, returns all the record from the right table and matching in the left table. So in right outer join, only right table all the record as well as the common record. Full outer join. Full outer join return all the record of the both the table, matched and non-matched. Means this record as well as this record and the common record. This you will get in the both the table. I will also explain all these things, but let me complete the definition. Cross join returns the Cartesian product of the both the table. Suppose if you have n records in one table, m record in another table, so we will get n cross m number of record if you are applying the cross join. Now self join we will discuss later. Now I am coming to here again tell about all these things join. So join is something if you want to get the records of one table as well as another table and few records which is common in both the table, that record if you want to get, then we will implement the inner join. Left join or left outer join will give the all the records which is in the left as well as common. Right outer, it will give you the right table all the record as well as common. Full outer join will give you the left record as well as right table, left table records as well as right table record. So these are the types of join and as well as cross join. That is a give you the Cartesian product. Now what is the self join? Self join is something in which a same table is joined itself. Means join where table is joined with itself is used to when the row in the same table are related to rows of the another table. This is a look like a inner join, but this is something like if you have a table in that list of the employee as well as in that table employee versus manager also available. For example, in the table, employee ID, employee name, and employee department, as well as who is the manager of that employee column is there, or manager ID, you can say a column is there. In that situation, if you want who is the manager of who employee, means which who is the manager of which employee. So at that time you need to make the alias of one table, means one table is as a, another table is as a B. We will create a name A and B, or whatever you want. You can create the alias of both the table. After that, you will apply the join. So it's called the self join. Self join always used for get the same table or a specific record.